Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. In this video we are going to solve this problem. So the problem is stated as find divergence of vector f and curl of vector f at the point 1, 2, 3 if vector f is equals to the gradient of x cube y plus y cube z plus z cube x plus x square y minus x square y square z square. So this is a question. Okay, this was given in the 2007 VTU paper as well. So this is one of the important questions you can consider. So let me get started with the solution. This is what you're waiting for, the solution, right? So I will give you the solution. Let phi equal to x cube excuse me x cube y plus y cube z plus z cube x plus this is minus, right? Minus x square y square z square. So this is what I'm considering it as a phi. So given vector f is equals to grad of x cube y plus y cube z plus z cube x minus x square y square z square. Okay, now this can be given as del of phi. This can be written as del of phi, correct? Now we know del is a what? Partial differentiation with respect to x, y, z multiplied with the I, j, k unit vectors respectively, right? So I'm just going to write it. If you want me to write this, let me write it, okay, for your understanding. Dou phi by dou x into I plus dou phi by dou y into j, this is j, plus dou phi by dou z into k. Okay, I'm just gonna substitute phi value here. So this is going to be dou x cube y plus y cube z, just let little up, y cube z plus z cube x minus x square y square z square. This is differentiated with respect to x, right? Into vector, unit vector I, plus dou by dou y x cube y plus y cube z plus z cube x minus x square y square z square j, plus dou by dou z, okay, x cube y plus y cube z plus z cube x minus x square y square z square. This is k, unit vector k. So here we have to partially differentiate with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to z. So this is what? Vector f. So let me write vector f is equals to partially differentiation with respect to x, right? So 3x square y, we don't have any x here. Here we have x. So we can write this as z cube, x is 1, minus 2xy square z square. Okay, so this is multiplied with the unit vector I, plus we have partial differentiation with respect to y. So this is going to be x cube plus this is partial differentiation with respect to y, right? So 3y, I'll just write it in the bracket, 3y square z. This is going to be 0. This is going to be minus x 2x square y z square j, done, into j, plus partial differentiation with respect to z. So this is going to be y cube plus 2z square x minus 2x square y square z into k, done. Now divergence of f we have to find, right? F we found it, vector field vector f we have found it already. Now divergence of field vector f we are going to find. So that is written as del dot vector field, that is vector f. That is going to be this. Again you have to differentiate, partially differentiate with respect to x, y and z, and that we have the unit vectors I, j and k. This will get multiplied and it will be 1, right? So I'm just gonna write dou by dou x into 3x square y plus z cube minus 2xy square z square. Done. Plus dou by dou y, it is going to be x cube plus 3y square z minus 2x x square y z square. Okay, plus dou by dou z y cube plus 2 this is 2. Let me confirm. Okay, so this is differentiated here. So 3, this is 3, right? 3 y cube here, and this is going to be this y cube here, and this is going to be 3z square x, and here it is going to be minus 2x square y square z, correct? So this is 3 times z square x minus 2 times x square y square z. Done. Now partially differentiating with respect to x, it is going to be 6xy, no x, here we have x, so this is simply going to be 2y square z square, right? Plus this one, partial differentiation with respect to y, so 3 2s are 6 y z, x cube is going to be 0. Here I have y, so this is going to be 2x square z square. Plus partial differentiation with respect to z, 0 6zx, okay, minus partial differentiation with respect to it is dead, so 2x square y square. Done, right? I'll just remove the brackets and we'll check what is the divergence of vector f at the point 1 comma 2 comma 3 equals to, here it is what, 6 into 2 6 into 1, this is 1, right? X is 1 into 2, so minus 2 into y square is 2 square into 3 square, plus 6 into 2 into 3 minus 2 into 1 square is 1 only into 3 square. Done. Plus 6 into 3 into 1 minus 2 into 1 square into 2 square. Done. So after simplifying this, divergence of vector f at the point 1 comma 2 comma 3 is equals to minus 32. Okay, now we need to find curl of vector f. Okay, and that is given by, let me write it, I, j and k. All right, here it is dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z, dou z, correct? Now we already have the vector f, so these I and j and k, just we have to write it below this. Below I, it is going to be 3x square y plus z cube minus 2xy square z square. Done. And this is going to be x cube plus 3y square z minus 2x square y z square. And this is going to be y cube plus 3z square x minus 2x square y square z. Done. Now we just have to find the determinant. So here we are going to leave this column and this row. So it's going to be dou by dou y into y cube plus 3z square x minus 2x square y square z minus, it's going to be dou by dou z into x cube plus 3y square z minus 2x square y z square. Okay. Now it's going to be minus j and it's going to be leave this column and leave this row. So dou by dou x y cube plus 3z square x minus 2x square y square z minus, leaving this column and this row, I have dou by dou z. Here I have 3x square y plus z cube minus 2xy square z square. Okay, plus k into k. So it's going to be leave this column and this row. So it's going to be dou by dou x into x cube plus 3y square z minus 2x square y z square. Right? Minus, as it is for k, dou by dou y to 3x square y plus z cube minus 2xy square z square. Done. Now we'll partially differentiate with respect to y. So it becomes 3y cube minus 4x square yz minus, this is partially differentiation with respect to z. Okay, so it becomes 3y square, this is 0, plus minus into minus plus plus 4x square yz. Done. Minus j, just differentiate it. I'll write it down, here 3z square minus 4xy square z minus 3z square plus 4xy square z plus k 3x square minus 4xy z square minus 3x square plus 4xy z square. Now if you see this and this will get cancelled out, this and this will get cancelled out. I'll use a different pen, different color pen. So this is getting cancelled, this and this one is getting cancelled. So they got cancelled, right? Now so we have I or 0i plus this is going to be minus, so it's fine, minus 0j plus 0k, so it's going to be 0 vector. Hence curl of vector f is 0. Done. So if you have not understood clearly, I'm just going to give you a quick overview of this. Find divergence of vector f and curl of vector f at this point if the grad is this. So considering phi is equals to this, x cube y plus y cube z plus z cube x minus x square y square z square. So considering that, f vector can be found using this formula, that is del phi. So using del phi, I have found the vector f. So using vector f, I have found the divergence of vector f. just substituting in the formula, finding the divergence of vector f. So that is what? Minus 32. And later on finding the curl of vector f using the determinant formula, using the curl formula. So that is what? That is 0. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends so that everybody gets benefited. Hit the bell icon, share, and give a thumbs up.